You've been skipping upper body because you think you're going to get bulky? This one's for you. I'm going to show you how to build a strong, sculpted upper body that's feminine and powerful. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Elizabeth, fitness coach for women who wants to lift, get strong, and see muscle definition. So in today's workout, it's all about upper body, shoulders, arms, and back. We're going to build strength, tone, and posture so you feel confident in and out of the gym. All you need is some dumbbells, 30 minutes, and I'll walk you through the entire thing. The first thing we want to do when doing the shoulder press is we want to make sure that the bench is not completely upright but not completely declined either. We want to have a slight incline only, but just enough for you to rest your back and be able to push through on the shoulders. As far as the exercise goes, you want to make sure you bring those elbows in, because we always want to protect that shoulder. We want to make sure that we avoid any type of injury. The other thing you want to consider, obviously the first set, you're going to do a warm-up set with a lighter weight, and then we're going to gradually increase the weight. You can see how I push the weight up with my thighs. This is going to help you once you start getting lifting heavier weight. You don't want to lift it with your arms because obviously we're a lot weaker in the lift portion of the movement. So you can use your thighs to kind of push up the weight up to shoulder level and then press up from there. It's going to be good to have that stability on that bench to be able to push a little bit more weight. Now going into the one arm dumbbell row, you want to set up in like a box that's about knee height or a little bit higher. Make sure that your back stays flat. We want to bring that elbow back and towards the hip, making sure that we squeeze those lats at the top of the movement. And then going into our dumbbell lateral raises, we're gonna do 3 sets of 15. Lead with the elbows, not the wrist. Think about reaching out, not up. I always find that is helpful to understand how to do these correctly to really target the shoulders. Now, moving on to our seated bicep curls, we're going to do 3 sets of 12. Want to keep the elbows tucked for range of motion, slow tempo on the way down. You can isolate one by doing one at a time or both together, and then jumping over to our tricep kickbacks, or you could do overhead extensions. We're doing 3 sets of 12. Think long triceps and control the movement on the way down. Optional finisher, 3 rounds of 10 push-ups plus 15 front raises and 30-second plank hold. After you finish that, if you do the optional finisher, don't forget to cool down and relax those muscles, stretch it out, do some cross-body shoulder stretches, some downward dog, some tricep stretch overhead. As you cool down, remember, upper body training isn't about looking bulky. It's about function, confidence, and longevity. Strong shoulders mean better posture, less back pain, and more power in every lift. If you like this workout, consider subscribing, liking, and commenting, and let me know which body part you want me to program next. And also, don't forget to grab your 8-week free workout guide in the description. It will help you keep you consistent and keep progressing week after week. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.